Okay, so far I've only used this gray on the entire dresser and the bottom drawer. It is called Supernova from Behr. I don't know if you can see that. So for the size of dresser that I have, I've only used like 75% of this paint, and that'll be totally enough for the rest of the 3 drawers. I went ahead and painted the bottom drawer the same color as the outside of the dresser, and now I'm going to mix some white into this jar and like shake it up, and then I will pour some out and then mix more white to what I poured out, so then it's like a transition to the full-on white jar on the very top. So I am going to do that right now. And the white color that I'm using is this chalk paint linen white. So I'm going to do that. Don't need a ton. Shake it so that it's mixed pretty good. And then I will pour it into this and add some more white.